Have you ever been assigned a paper asking you to take a position on a controversial topic and defend yourself, but you find that you don't know enough about the opposing position to make a solid argument? In this video, we'll go over our Issues and Controversies database that will give you unbiased access to both sides of hotly contested debates so you can make and defend an informed position. To begin, start on the Beloit College Library homepage. Then, click on Databases right underneath Additional Resources near the bottom of the page. Next, either search for Issues and Controversies at the top of the page, or click the I in the alphabetical page list and you'll be able to access the database listed there. If you are off campus, you will be prompted to sign in with your Beloit College credentials. You'll need to do this in order to access this content. Now, on the home page, you can enter your topic into the search bar, or browse issues by subject at the bottom of the page. Once you find a pro-con article that suits your needs, you'll find a quick intro section that will give you a bite-sized overview of each side of the issue. However, as you scroll or use the table of contents near the top of the page, you'll not only get an in-depth analysis of both sides, but also plenty of background information, including timelines, graphs, and other essential information that will help you get a grasp of your topic. Along with the pro-con article, you can even find quick links to relevant primary sources, court cases, media, infographics, editorials, and even various news sources related to your topic. If you have any questions about the Issues and Controversies database, or about any of our general library services, please contact us at libref@beloit.edu, or use our Ask a Librarian chat service located on our website.